Hello everyone! In this tutorial you'll learn how to make templates using pre-compositions. For example, I drag and drop this template, and here if I press play, it runs subscribe for more amazing videos. And for example, if I click here and choose to scale, I can scale it. I can bring anywhere I want in the video, and I can always use it for every single video easily. I don't need to create a lot of layers, everything in one layer. Now, see you in the tutorial and roll this intro. This is how to make pre-compositions. I have a composition, and inside this composition I have words that, for example, subscribe for more amazing videos. They are all in a separate layer, as you can see down here. So, subscribe for more amazing videos. And I have a solid. Now, I want to animate this in a separate composition. So all these layers will become into one layer. And this is one way to do it. You can, for example, click on subscribe, right click, and here I have an option saying pre-compose. So if you click on that, you would mark this and this as well to open in a new composition. And this is what happened. Basically, it stays in a very big screen. This is just to show you that if I return here to our composition, still's here, but now the layer has turned yellow. And if I add something more, for example, this shape right here and return there, the shape will show up. And is everything part of one composition. So this is one way to do it. And the second way to do it is to select this right here, region of interest. So it's like I select it and I can drag this around the text or whatever you like to pre-compose. And I can come here to composition, and there's an option crop comp to region of interest. So when I click on that, now it becomes really nice and easy to create animations. For example, return to pre-compose here, you can see that has got lower here, but I can bring up, and now I can ease align, and that's pretty good so far. Then returning here, I can animate this and will take effect there. For example, I can open position and click here on the stopwatch. Now I can animate from below to up. So it comes like this. And now I can add an easy. So you can see what happened here. And that's too far, so let's zoom in and make it about 2 seconds long. Still too long, so let's make about 1 second. And now you can see that it's pretty cool. Subscribe. Now we go to pre-composition and you can see that animation has taken effect. Subscribe. And we can animate these other two right now. So I can actually select both of them. And then I can come here and say pre-compose. Now I can do the same thing, which is region of interest. Select this two. and I can just composition and crop comp to region of interest. Now I can animate this shoe as well, so position and frame position, bring forward to about 1 second as well. And now I can say this comes from here, and this comes from up for more. And I can say for comes first and then more comes next. For more. And now we return to the first composition, adjust the layer. And you can see everything coming at the same time, so I can zoom in and just make the second composition a bit more ahead. Subscribe for more. And amazing. We can also duplicate this composition. So Ctrl D. And let's say we just want turn off this layer and crop from here. And here we go. And then crop. Amazing, right? So we have here our last one, which is this composition we can rename to amazing. Then I can select this shoe, for example, bring down, and then go open position. And this one will actually, they will start from here. I can delete every single layer now except this shoe. Just like that. And here I will go and bring the first one up. Amazing. And then a little bit more ahead. Videos. And now I can return to our first composition. And for example, I can delete this amazing and videos and bring this composition that we made last. So now if I return here, precomp, that was precomp 2. So I delete this and bring precomp 2. Yes. For more. And then bring this more ahead and bring lower a little bit. Amazing videos. Subscribe for more amazing videos. And this is the power of using pre-comps. You can just be creative and make whatever you like with it. It's just a really fun way to create presets, for example. Now that we have this, let's say, okay, this composition, pre-composition, let's rename to template. Okay, so this is a template. And now we can go ahead and simply off this layer, which is the background here, the solid. And I can select the region of interest again. See that? And I can create composition and crop composition. Now I have this. Then this will be our template. So we can create a new composition and say final video. In our final video, we can add a new solid just for reference. So here, solid. And let's choose another color here. Okay. Now I can drag and drop this template and everything will be in one single layer. So as you can see here, and I can actually scale this layer to 50% and place somewhere you think will be cool in your video. And as you can see, subscribe for more amazing videos. And then if you want to actually fade everything, you can come here and open T for opacity. And then move a little bit forward and bring this to 0. So as you can see, in one layer, you can do so much things like easier. And you have a preset that you can use anywhere. Got it? So this is the power of pre-comps. And you don't only need to use for that, you can bring another like many editings. Don't need to be text specifically. It can be like video editing, and you can bring here instead of having a lot of layers in one single video editing. Got it? So now every time I want to edit just this, I can double click, and I will be direct to this location. And let's say I want to change this for more. So for more is inside another layer. I can come here and I want to say this more. I want it to be a different color. So I go here, character, and change to let's say like a pink color, for example, here. And now once I return to our template, it has changed. And once we go to the final video, it has changed automatically. Really powerful, really cool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial once again, and I'll see you in the next video.